In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view group on LinkedIn. If you're trying to find your LinkedIn groups and you're not sure where to look, don't worry. The process is very simple, and once you know where the option is, it only takes a few seconds. This is useful if you want to check in on professional communities you've joined, read discussions, or keep up with industry-specific conversations. To begin, open LinkedIn and make sure you're on the main homepage, which is the feed page. This is the screen where you normally see posts, updates, and content from your network. If LinkedIn opens somewhere else, such as your profile or notifications, just navigate back to the main feed before continuing. Starting from the feed makes it easier to find the section you need. Once you're on the feed page, look around the interface for the groups option. Depending on your screen size or the version of LinkedIn you're using, this may appear in a side panel or within a menu related to your network and community activity. Click on Groups to open that section. After you select it, LinkedIn will take you to the area where you can view the groups connected to your account. From there, you can browse the groups you're a member of, open a specific group, and explore its posts, conversations, and shared resources. This is the main place to go whenever you want to revisit a professional group on LinkedIn. A helpful tip is to give the page a moment to load if you don't see everything right away, especially if your internet connection is slow or if LinkedIn is loading a lot of content. If the groups option is not immediately visible, try checking the left-hand navigation area or expanding any community-related menu options on the page. LinkedIn occasionally updates its layout, but the overall path is usually very similar, and that's all there is to it. To view a group on LinkedIn, go to your feed page and click on Groups. Once you're there, you'll be able to access your group spaces and stay involved in the conversations that matter to you professionally. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly find your LinkedIn groups with confidence.